Welcome to the Adding Hair with Inanch Emir collection from MHDPro. In this collection, you will learn a variety of hair extension services and how to carry out a consultation and offer aftercare advice. These are great techniques to offer to your clients for those momentous milestones, memorable get-togethers, or for a refreshed temporary change. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, you will learn about the consultation process for attaching hair with Inanch Emir. In Lesson 2, Inanch demonstrates a micro-ring method of adding hair extensions to increase length and volume to fine hair or very curly hair. In Lesson 3, Inanch demonstrates an application of extensions using a pre-bonded system resulting in luscious, abundant, alluring lengths. In Lesson 4, Inanch demonstrates an application of taped hair extensions as an introduction to colour. And finally, in Lesson 5, Inanch outlines the 6 essential aftercare guidelines as part of a salon service for hair extensions. Teaching clients how to best manage styles, equipment and products will build trust, prevent damage, and could increase your business through reputation. Use our See, Do, Stop, Check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Adding Hair with Inanch Emir collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Adding Hair with Inanch Emir collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.